guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So most of the people with the top end vehicle have this concerns that I don't have good brightness in my headlight. So neither we are able to add an headlights like a halogen bulb or an LED or an HID. So what is the solution to increase my headlight power? Or should I add a bar light or should I add a projector? So which is not legal from the government. So what we are going to do over here is we are going to add a projector because this has a molded headlights with a reflector. So what we are going to do here is we are going to add a projector, 2 on the low beam and 2 on the high. So 2 projectors on the low beam and 2 projectors on the high beam. Let me show you how the process has been done one by one. So this is the existing headlight which has come from the company. So these are the reflectors and these are the LED bulbs which comes through the company. So these are hardly like around 35 watts which has come through the company. So what we are going to do over here is we are adding those projectors. Let me tell you how it will work. So from the reflector what we have done is we have added a 4 projectors over here. If you see here, right, these 3 projectors are for low beam and high beam, and this one will be for your spotlight when you are using for your high beam. So finally Innova Hycross got upgraded with projectors. If you see 3 projectors on the low beam and 1 on the high beam. So let's check the output, how it is on the real-time roads. So guys, now let's check the output on the real roads. So if you see here, right, now we are going to put a low beam. So now we are going to put a high beam. So you'll get the complete clear visibility on the roads. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with good quality projector, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.